Now we're back to learning JavaScript. Let me show the has method. It can be used to check if a set has a certain element. So we'll return to our example from the last tutorial. Let me get rid of this loop. And we use document.write. Letters was the name of our object set. So here it is. And if I now add .has to it, I can specify inside of the regular brackets what I want to look for. Let's say the number 25. And we get true because 25 is part of our letters object set. And also when I use quotation marks, it's part of it right here. If you just add a, it's not going to return anything. So keep that in mind. It's a string, so you have to use quotation marks here as well. There you go, it's true. If I make that, let's say h, we don't have an h, it returns false. Same goes for numbers that aren't part of our object set. For example, 105, it's false, but 15 should be true. And this is how I can check if a certain element is part of an object set. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.